In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to import a design from Figma into Lovable. We'll take a finished Figma design and hand it off to Lovable so it can automatically rebuild the layout for you. You'll see how to grab the right link, where to paste it, and how to start the import, plus a few helpful tips. First, open Lovable in your browser and head to your workspace. Wait for the chat interface to load. That's where we'll talk to the tool. Keep this tab open because we'll come right back. Having Lovable and your Figma file in separate tabs makes switching quick and prevents losing your place. Now switch to the Figma page that contains the design you want to import. Select the exact frame or artboard you need Lovable to recreate. The link we copy should point to that selection, not the whole file. Right-click on the canvas or use the main menu, choose Copy/Paste As, then Copy Link to Selection. This gives Lovable a precise target, which improves how it interprets spacing, images, and text. If you later see an access warning, the link probably isn't viewable outside your account. Adjust the file's share settings so anyone with the link can view, then copy the link to the selection again. Jump back to Lovable. In the chat box, paste the Figma link you just copied and add a short instruction such as, "Please import this Figma design." Clear wording helps the system understand your goal. You don't need to upload assets or paste code. Just the link and a simple prompt are enough. Give the link a quick glance to confirm it points to the correct frame. When you're ready, click Send. Lovable will fetch the selection from Figma and start generating a matching layout. This can take a moment depending on design size. Well, once the first pass appears, open the preview and review it calmly. From here, you can ask the chatbot for tweaks, adjust spacing, update copy, or swap images until it matches your